Well, guys, didn't take us in on the big start. There's Terry's auto, our van, where we parked her at. Never started her since. But right over here, we got this little gem here that I had on the back burner since a couple of years. I knew she'd run. She's a GMC, right? They always run. But this little sweetheart here, maybe we'll do a few things. What should we do with her? Should we fix her up? Should we do some body work? No, we're not. We're just going to hammer her through the woods and all that kind of thing. She's pretty rough. But she does need a seat. Now this thing, I don't know why I didn't start earlier. Sorry guys with the video. But she hasn't ran probably... Well, I'll show you where she was parked at. Had her parked over here on the property. So you can get a good idea that she's been parked right here for, I don't know, about 3 years. The starter went on it. But you know, these new, although she's rough looking like that, they're still computers. They're still new. But yeah, she was parked right here in this spot for a couple of years. So we gotta get rid of all this junk here too. This is like, you know, the inherited property, so I could be keeping the hold if it's not for sale. Like, but yeah, we were parked here for all this time. We just pulled her out. There's her piece of rope there. We just pulled her out down here. We crawled underneath it and we threw our starter on it and she fired right off. So yeah, now we got a toy. Friggin' GMC. GMC. Yeah, some people say Toyota Helix and all that kind of thing, but I'm not into it that much. It looks like we need some gas, but she's charging. We got some heat going. We have no heater though. We'll have to do something with that. It looks like something lives in here too, pretty good. So we'll have to do some of that stuff. But look at this. We'll be able to get a seat in her right away. A couple on the back there. We got some parts, but she has no brakes. That's her big thing. Anyways, it's not her big thing. Look at it. Did they ever rust here? But hey, at the shop, we fix stuff like this. Listen to that engine run. A couple of years, works perfect. I wanted to put this engine into this car over here that has nothing wrong with the engine. It's a 305, so they'll run forever. But this thing here is my uncle's truck. I'm kind of looking at this here one here with a very fond eye, I think. Notice she's a GMC as well. Notice that she's shaped like the letter V. But I really do think that that one would be a fun one to, I don't know, rustorate. Get back going on the road. They're getting rare around here. She's got a 350 in her. She got the 350 in her. Maybe that'll work. Try that out. Probably won't work. That seat's kind of dry. Work. It's a good tire. You know, I forgot I had this truck for a while. There we are. Look at that. These things here, they make the greatest thing to lay on. Oh, that seat's mint. She looks good. Oh, baby. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully these squirrels don't get me.
Which way? Gotta get past that oil tank. How far field for my door doesn't want to open or close properly. Front bumper doesn't be wrong. Whoop. Oh, that's back later. Might back her down and get another run. Don't want to punch her back and get it stuck. My door's messed up now though. That's how they go.